Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you'll find hotspot toggle. As you can see, it's for me it's right over here. And once you locate it, you can hold it. This is for the first time around, just so you can access the settings. And in here we want to tap on tethering and portable hotspot, and then portable hotspot settings, configure hotspot, and this will give you a couple options right here. Now the most important one is the password. As you can see, by default it's just some randomly generated garbage, so we can remove this one and set our own. Now the password does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter, at which point you will be able to save it. And from there, click on save. And that's basically all you need to really do for the hotspot, as in settings. So you can close this, find the toggle once again, tap on it, confirm it, and this will turn it on. And now you can utilize your hotspot. Now once you're done with it, I do urge you to remember to actually turn it off. It will consume more battery on your device. So if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. And to do so, all you need to do is tap on the toggle once again. It will become gray, as you can see, and it will turn off. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.